study about the phenylketonuria. Phenylketonuria is an autosomal recessive metabolic genetic disorder when the mutation takes place at the gene responsible for hepatic enzyme, that is the phenylalanine hydroxyl, re-rendering its not functional. और इस एंजाइम जो है वो नॉन फंक्शनल होती है और ये एंजाइम हेपेटिक एंजाइम है. दिस एंजाइम इज नेसेसरी टू मेटाबोलाइज द अमीनो एसिड phenylalanine टू द अमीनो एसिड टायरोसिन. तो जो ये एंजाइम है phenylalanine हाइड्रोक्सिलेज, ये नॉन फंक्शनल होने की वजह से जो नॉर्मली अमीनो एसिड phenylalanine का कन्वर्शन होना चाहिए अमीनो एसिड टायरोसिन में वो होता नहीं है. व्हेन पीएचए एक्टिविटी इज रिड्यूस phenylalanine क्या हो जाता है, एक्यूमुलेट एंड इट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू phenyl pyruvate instead of tyrosine and also known as phenylketone, which can detect in the urine. In this exam you can see phenylalanine in the presence of phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme, it is converted into tyrosine, and in absence of this enzyme this phenylalanine converted into phenyl pyruvate or phenylketone, and which is responsible for this disorder. So food with phenylalanine are eaten, that leads to high phenyl level in the blood. A defective enzyme PAH in the body fail to break down the PHA. तो phenylalanine का जो breakdown होना चाहिए वो होता नहीं है, and this lead to problem in thinking and behavior. History. Phenylketonuria was discovered by the Norwegian physician Ivar Abjohn Holling in 1934. He noticed hyperphenylalanemia was associated with mental retardation. In Norway, this disorder is known as falling disease. It was recently suggested that PICU may resemble the amyloid disease, such as Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease, due to the formation of toxic amyloid-like assembly of phenylalanine. तो जो PICU है इट इज़ कंसर्न विद द amyloid डिसीज़. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि अल्जीमर डिसीज़ और पार्किंसन डिसीज़ में डिफेक्टिव प्रोटीन तैयार होता है. अमीनो एसिड प्रोटीन किससे बना होता है, अमीनो एसिड से. तो डिफेक्टिव प्रोटीन इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल कॉजिंग अल्जीमर डिसीज़ एंड पार्किंसन डिसीज़. तो PICU भी यही सजेस्ट करता है, ड्यू टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ टॉक्सिक अमोलाइड लाइक असेंबली ऑफ phenylalanine कॉज द phenylketonuria. Screening and presentation. PICU is commonly included in the newborn screening panel. Most babies in developed countries are screened for PICU soon after birth. Screening of PICU is done with bacterial inhibition assay, Guettering test, immunoassay using fluorometric or photometric detection, or amino acid measurement using tandem mass spectrometry. Measurements done using MS determine the concentration of phenyl and the ratio of phenyl to tyrosine, both of which will be elevated in PICU. If child is not screened during the routine newborn screening test, the disease may present clinically with seizure, albinism, and must be due to the baby sweat and urine. Untreated children are normal at birth but fail to attain early developmental milestones, develop microcephaly, hyperactivity, EFG abnormality, and seizure, and severe learning disabilities are major clinical problem. So this is symptoms of the PICU. Classical PICU pathology is caused by mutated gene for the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase, which convert amino acid phenylalanine to the message compound in the body. Non-PHA mutation can also cause PICU. This is example of non-allelic genetic heterogeneity. The PHA gene is located on chromosome in 12 in the band 12q in short arm. More than 400 disease-causing mutations have been found in the PHA gene. PHA deficiency causes spectrum of disorder including classic phenylketonuria and hyperphenylalanine. In this chromosome 12, red color indicate the PAH gene. PICO is also known to be autosomal recessive genetic disorder. This means both parents must have at least one mutated allele of the PHA gene. The child must inherit both mutated allele, one from each parent. Therefore, it is possible for a parent with the disease to have a child without it if the other parent possesses one functional allele of the gene for PH. Yet, a child from two parents with PICO will inherit two mutated allele every time, and therefore the disease. This is unaffected carrier father, unaffected carrier mother. Unaffected child born 1 in 4 chance, unaffected carrier 2 in 4 chance, and affected 1 in 4 chance. If both the parents are the carrier, this result shown. Tetrahydrobiopterin deficient hyperphenylanemia. Hyperphenylanemia occurs when